Hey guys, today we're going to be making fish for my dad. Okay, here's the ingredients. Fish, onion, garlic, lime juice, and pepper. So, pepper, salt, lime juice, and fish. Salamander fish.
That's salmon fish. Okay.
Salamander. Okay, let's add this first.
What is the first ingredient that you're adding? One at a time.
2.
Okay, what are they? Tell me.
Maybe 1.
You added the pepper. What's next?
Lime.
Lime. Pour it all over fish. Good job. Now what are you gonna add next?
This.
The garlic, right?
Do.
Now it's onion, right?
Now it's still garlic.
What's next?
Garlic.
Onion.
My mom helped me with the cutting of the onion and garlic.
That's right, because that's the grown-up part, because we have to use a sharp knife, right, Ordo?
With a sloppy fork to do my ingredients.
Are you mixing your ingredients?
That's sloppy. Okay, we're still mixing.
Mixing, mixing, mixing.
Now it's time for it to rest for 1 minute.
And what are you going to do after that?
Cook it.
Cook it in the oven or in the pan?
Pan.
In the pan, that's right.
Actually, the oven.
No, today we're going to make it in the pan.
The fish. Now we're gonna let it rest for 1 minute.
What are you trying to put in, Armand?
Margarine.
Margarine. And Daddy loves the flavor of margarine on the fish.
Now we're gonna put my fish in it. Now we're gonna cover my fish for a bit. I'm gonna wait.
You're gonna wait? How about you read your numbers in French for your friends in case if you're interested in learning that.
I'm not interested.
You're not interested in that?
I'm interested in candy.
In candy. I love candy too. What type of candy do you like, Armand?
I'll show you. It's up there. While my fish is cooking, I share my favorite candy with you guys. So my mom can zoom in a little bit on this.
What is
So
that candy called?
Skittles and the gummy donut.
Oh, yummy.
And I have a bubble gum machine. Okay, now I'm gonna eat my candy while I enjoy it. Skittles fresh up. Good.
Which one tastes better, the Skittle or the donut?
And this tastes like fruit gummy donut bubble gum.
And how about the Skittles? What flavor do they have?
That's what the Skittles have. Okay, let's try this.
Is it hard to chew?
Uh-huh. Because when you eat candy, make sure to brush your teeth after. But I don't because it's not important for me. This looks like a gummy phone nut. Let's eat the gummy phone nut.
Do you want to see how your fish is doing, Arman?
Sure.
Can you check on them, please?
I'm done chewing.
Is
No.
your fish almost ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Now my fish is ready. Now I can't wait to take it to my dad. I get decorate it with candy.